Okay, since surut ng foundation, glue na natin.
Uy, pagam. Kasi nagkapin ka.
Same ka ka-feel.
I feel kuan. I'm sweaty na. Alo.
Maginalalo pang basketball.
Yate, binuang.
Hey, I am presenting to you Rachi. Hello y'all! What's up? This is Maria Feelingera and welcome back again to my YouTube channel and welcome once more to another video. So, lahi ang ara karon kinani pa ring light ang Mayora. This video is a special one because it's a makeup challenge. It's actually make him to her Kuya edition. So yeah, you heard it right. I am with my big brother Roger Junior Abada. He's here. Come on.
Hey, babe.
So, halos dagan ang gid kay nangingon. Almost everybody ang nangingon gid nga we are kamukha gyud. Diba?
Sure.
So, thank you kayo kuya nga ni dawat kani nga challenge. So, simple lang ang buhaton. I'm gonna make him into her like me. So, tanan to kung mas excellent ba gyud ang result kung make-upan ako siya the way I do sa ako mga shows or mga events. Yeah, so everything I put on his face is coming from my makeup kit. Every time, these are the stuff, makeup items that I really use every time I have an event. Because as all you know, I just do my makeup.
Mo na sa kuban.
Yan. No, hindi mo sa kugon.
Out of the skin na.
And by the way, thank you so much to Mang Alex. Ayan. Susuoton yun niya ang mga pa-blonde hair. Okay, so let's start. Halin na.
Madaot ang konbo.
Di lagi. Okay, remove your eyeglasses.
Yes.
First is moisturize your skin. So this is what I use, guys. Okay.
Hindi na rin.
What's your more expectation ano nga makeover?
Expect ko mas bapa pa ko sa'yo.
Wow. Okay. Same ka ka-feel.
I feel kuan. I feel sweaty na.
So, what we're gonna do first is to put concealer. Okay, since surut ng foundation, glue na natin.
Uy, pagam.
Joke. No. Sige, diretso na lang to sa powder. Powder, fresh lang para woke up like this.
Ay, ito.
This is Nichido.
Naya po, grabe.
Ayan. Kung mabayot, lugar kayo. Ano sa imong pangalan? Roji. Same feeling.
Wala pa, di ko na makakawala ko.
And so, for the sake of matabunan lang gamay ang pagka-oily sa skin, akong gibot min og pressed powder. And proceed na ta sa iyahang kilay. So, what I use for my kilay is this. It's shoe shine.
Kiwi?
So, mascara type. So, parang may baga aming kilay. So, pants out. So, basically, ako lang gi-shape ang mascara kung si shape siyang kilay. Diba? Other side.
Dapat magana ang mata. Sige pa ako dito.
Go closer. So, that is kilay, guys. Yan. And next, to put on his eyeshadow, so present siya eyes, is this product from Manila Beauty. Manila Beauty, ano ba? Complete, basta daw. Complete.
Contour. Palitin.
Complete contour palette. So, medyo, since everyday makeup, they're very light lang. Dito sa nude. We go nude, guys. Close your eyes.
Kung nga mo sa akong last video.
Open up. Ay, really close. Mag-inanay daw kang basketball. Yeah!
Yate, binuang. Saan ba na nga?
Naman! Oh, good naman! Okay, next is we put eyeliner. Yan. Parang kanang eye ka naman. Kita ka ng sa mga girls.
Para kang one.
Ano. Close your eyes.
Doing butterfly.
Okay, closer. And next will be the contouring. So para mas bugamay ang face, very important na siya. So I'm still gonna use this palette from Manila Beauty and this face palette from Doodoo Girl. Okay, kuya na. And here, sa jawline, very important. Parang double chin. Hoy, parang double chin. Hoy, wala ko nag-joke. Para na siya matagoy mag-double chin. Yan, so look at him. Yan, oh, medyo.
Taka lagi gawa.
And I'm gonna make a nose line. So for the nose line, I normally contour the center and then a darker shade here at this portion. So that's the same thing we do to Kuya. Look at that.
Look at that.
And this is what I'm gonna use, the darker shade. There. Wait, mascara pa dito. Before sa blush, we're almost done, Kuya. How are you feeling right now?
I'm good.
Yeah. Look straight. Okay.
Muy.
And the fun part is,
Lipstick.
please wait, not yet. The putting of highlighter. So, pinaka-last gid na ko ang lipstick. What do you think the color of this?
Okay.
Pink? Let's check. Okay, come on, please.
Super
150.
Zeda.
150 lang.
Hindi ko sa nikapin ka. Ikaw sunod.
And here's the thing. Lipstick part dita. So, I'm planning to put a shade of this one. It's Pretty Please by the Creamy Mattes of Maybelline. Okay. Say, oh.
Hello.
Wait. Ay, sa paglihok. Kakakampat. And for the final, magbutang ko og something, not shimmer, pero murag dark blush. Ay, di naman dark. Medyo tangy. Go. Yan. Madam!
Dabi, di mo kapuyan mag-lipstick.
Huh? We're used to that. Actually, kapoy biya. Bugat sa face, diba, na yung makeup. Diba? You think? Yeah. Okay, so there you go.
Marami?
Ayan yung look. But to complete the look, ito siya yung makeover with the hair from Among Alex Salon.
Waka.
Yay! Okay, mag-change siya mini for a while, guys. Alright, so it has been a quick makeover to Kuya. Although, ako yun siya gidalian, no? And I guess it runs to 10 to 15 minutes. Pero overall, disclaimer lang, dilingit ko below maayo mo makeup, but that's how I do it. And you can check it on my post naman that okay naman ang result if I make up myself. Pero I realized talaga na lisod yun mag-makeup of others. And anyway, I am presenting to you Rachi.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo ay matagal kong hinahanap at gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Isang dalagang
Hi!
Yang murag ikaw din.
What can you say, guys? So, ako lang yung pa-side-side. Be, go.
Gabi nga binuang sa ako ko.
So, what can you say?
I can see myself nga murag ikaw gid.
Side view. So, I guess that concludes our short makeup challenge of making Kuya her, making him to her. So, I don't know how do we exactly call it, but it seems like that. So, what are your realizations, Kuya?
Lisod, may mong babae. Gasto, may mong babae. Dagan gamit. And the same time, ang buhok nga ng tag-as, i-realize na ko nga. It's a no-no. It's very init, igaw.
And sa pag-put on sa makeup.
And I'm starting to get out my sweat.
Get off my sweat.
Ang boobs.
Yan. So thank you so much, my Kuya, for saying yes to this challenge. And if you want more collaborations with him, you want to see us more of a video, so just comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo ay matagal